Good morning or good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. It's Saturday morning, so I decided to film an average day morning routine for me. I am a working professional, so Monday through Friday is really full of me throwing my clothes on and rushing out of the door. On Saturdays, I usually don't have a definite schedule, but I always wake up and do this before I get my day started. The first thing I do every single morning is brush my teeth. I use the Arm & Hammer Advanced White Toothpaste. I get a lot of DMs and emails about how I keep my teeth so white, and the toothpaste is really the key to that. I also use mouthwash, and you guys know I use Cetaphil to wash my face. I usually spend about 60 seconds washing my face. I don't use a washcloth or anything. I like to make sure my fingertips are clean. I massage the Cetaphil into my skin and then I dry it with a damp paper towel. Then I pop my contacts in. Right now I'm using one-a-day contacts, and so far so good. They're really easy to use and they're very soft. And I just put some more moisture back in my face by spraying that water from Lush on my skin. Of course, I have to moisturize my lips. And since I have a sew-in, I just kind of brush out the knots and tangles in my hair. Before I do anything else, I put my earrings on. I can't function without earrings. And this is the Cartier Love Ring that I purchased. It's really special to me, and I literally wear it 24/7. My day does not go smoothly if I don't make my bed. You guys have probably seen my bed in several other videos, but the bed is from Z Gallery. Love it. It's super comfortable. And the linen is actually from Neiman Marcus. I got it on sale on their website, and I really love the color. Can't forget about my Mace baby. I show him some love every single morning. He's so lazy, he just rolls over and waits for me to rub his belly. He's pretty good about waiting until I finish my routine before we have to go outside for him to use the bathroom. You would think I have a child because his toys are all over my floor. But before I start cleaning, I open my blinds so that I can get some natural light and turn on the TV. Right now, it's a throwback video on with 112. Who remembers 112? I guess that tells you how old I am. I light a candle from Bath & Body Works. And then I get started straightening up, picking up his toys, and kind of fluffing my pillows and making sure everything is back in its place. Most of the furniture in my house is either white, mirrored, or glass, so Windex is definitely my best friend. I'm also very particular about my floors, so I vacuum every single Saturday. I never cook on Fridays, so usually I don't have any dishes, but I did have a late night snack and my sister came over, so I had a couple of plates in the sink. I never use my dishwasher, but I do put the dishes in the dishwasher to dry, and I'm just putting those up now. You guys can probably see that steam. Everything in my life is hot. So if I'm washing dishes, the water has to be hot. If I'm taking a shower, it has to be hot. Not just regular hot, like steaming hot. After I finish cleaning the kitchen, I sit down and relax for a while before figuring out what I'm going to do with the rest of my Saturday. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed and that it's relatable. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, peace.